Yeah.
Ona njohi gutambure.
I cannot miss one moment. Nego shoka ta akinya. Okay, you know first class, when you travel first class, one, you don't remember the money first class, that's to
Yeah.
First class ticket to heading or Akiru Baravi,
Qatar.
The World
Cup.
Our first class ticket was going for around 700,000.
Allah.
Yes. No, 3
7.
Yes. They want to have the peak. Assume the near the Washington. It's around a mic.
Ah, yeah.
Yes, one mic.
Pigiti modeli.
Nako we first class today. Of course, they don't serve you. The flight menu on first class is first class. Yes.
Yeah, cool, yeah.
Asha. What are they more hell? Can you give me you?
Yeah, que coronige udo kagira.
Kura ne aruga ma udo koria. He modo do kagiro ne no.
Yedi da hanya mo icio jethara ikeno kenge.
Okay. He wa dufia. Teho. Nende nguragirwo ni ndengu. Yo kiria kamande.
Anaka.
Yo kirari tondu guku ri. Twiriera ine gutire giathi. You know when you're flying first class, you have your own toilet also, I assume. Yes. Good to keep mundu first class ati. We mundu.
Una mutu.
Kana. That is a universal language.
Gabo kahura U-turn.
First class, you don't struggle for those facilities or compete. Yes. They serve you continental menus. Yes. Cuisine. Not food. Cuisine. You can choose whether you want Spanish cuisine, Chinese cuisine, no, vegetable rice and chicken cashew nuts. Kind of chicken cools. Cannoria chicken fajita. Cannoria, you know this, even Arabian cuisine. On you request. I don't know, okay, Bukunuga, Kiria, or prefer Korea, Okioboka.
Oh, Makoro Mafagite.
They will look for it and cook it. Yes.
Nekio, okay, your beseo.
Yes. And you almost have a personalized flight attendant. Yes. Yes. Excuse me. Excuse.
Where?
Excuse. Haleria kana onyinge.
No yo kwenda mundu menyerete kumagara.
First class ri. Wakinyara no ahuna wega ri. There's an infotainment system. Yes. With the latest movies. Yes. No, the movies. You can watch any channel in the world at the 40,000 feet above sea level. Yes. Dio. Korea economy ri.
Nitwehenda handu turathi tukiaranagiria. Wenjue. Ndeithia na power bank iyo yaku.
Karibu. Kuringana na tondu ni uthiangite wana twiha.
Thaa ici no anga hindi turahituka tumutumu.
Yomia twitha iradi. Economy class mwekerero kiriku. Business cluster we are BA. You know BA is a prestigious airline. Even KQ, but BA no the rankings. Yes. Ogigwa ni kuda kanya mori. Gatari an alcoholic beverage. And you're flying first class on BA. Go to the Theorero Giripe.
No, yeah. Deko aga.
What the order so?
Ibarosi.
Ibarosi. No. They will serve you Hennessy Paradise. Rare cognac. They serve that. Yes. Mucuba mwanya mwani. Don't go to do now. We go around 1 liter. It's around 450k thereabout.
Iguai.
From yani we get first class o shafa go safa go rere kia kamuru.
Ugakeinira oguo horeire.
Na ndwara first class now ri na nikio igua kichwa cha jogo hakistahimiri nini kiremba gotitwara onige mundu ogiwa ria kugireria cufe oyo
ndera kwira
he mundu ngitwara ku akiaruka stairs icio cia ndege aruke thi gay. There are people who take subtle contents of alcohol. They'll just take a, tobacco. You know the first thing about a rare cognac is the aroma, the scent coming out. Ice cubes, you kahora. Akudada boy,
akoma.
Yes.
Tora masha.
Tora gazuke hau. You go on a business class today. First class. We the thimu iria ihuragwo kou ri. Itondo mundu gakiubiko yake. Oigua yes. Masharia. New quality and agent with our Korea clearing and forwarding Singapore. Oh no. Oh, that's right. Did you wire the transaction? Oh, I can furnish you with the SWIFT code. You want to do a okay, an RGS transfer? Oh, suddenly I should be loading in the next approximately 4 hours. Yes, kindly. Thank you for the reading. Oh yes, new ticket, new $300,000. We can't share. Now you call the economic class. Niwachikiria jini ile ya buru.
Ina ya na